Hi, good afternoon. Uh, Today we are going to see about front office. Front office, you can see what are the sub departments we have. So first is reservations, registrations, cashier, night audit, guest history, MIS. There is a six kind of sub departments we have. And first, now we are going to see about room booking, how to make a room booking. So before that, you can see each and every departments we have a three type of categories. So one is called operations, views and reports. So now we are going to see about operations. So from the operations, room booking, see how to make a room booking. So before that, you can see the what are the fields we have. So on the top you can see save, modify, cancel, inquire, reinstate, copy. So first thing is save. So we can generate the booking with the useful of save key. And modify, suppose if you want to change any changes on the date or guest details or company details or tariff details, you can go with the modify. And third button we can use for the cancellations. Suppose if the guest plan has cancelled, so you can just go with the cancellation button. And fourth is inquire. So from the inquire you can get the details of the booking. So suppose if you want to recheck, so what is the detail when the guest has come, or what is the tariff and who is booked by, so you can get the details without any additions and deletions from inquire. And fifth is reinstate. Suppose the booking has cancelled before some time, so the same day you can reinstate the booking. And sixth is copy. So if the guest has coming a regular for your hotel, like monthly or yearly, so the guest details is already there in the history. So based on that, you can just go with the copy button, you can get the details, and you can just enter only the arrival date and departure date, because remaining everything will be there in the history. So now how to make a booking, we can see ARR date. This is the ARR, means arrival date. So from here you can enter the date. So we have a three type of option is there. You have to enter the date. So first thing is, if you enter 0, it will pick up the current date. And second type, so you have to press F1. F1 is the master key in our software. So from with the F1 key, with the help of calendar, it will be show here. So from here you can get the dates. And third type, you can enter the date manually, and this is the format you have to enter it after. That will be get the date format automatically. And now we have to enter the arrival time and departure date, how many days they are going to stay, 2 nights. Departure time, that means checkout time. And room type, you have to press F1. So from here, I already told you F1 is a master key with our software. It will show what are the room types we have. So you have to select the room type and how many rooms they need. So you have to press enter how many rooms, number 1 or 2. So based on it, to show the availability from here itself. After just enter, it will show the availability positions from the screen. Now it is a single occupancy, double occupancy, we have to mention it. So if it is a double occupancy, you have to mention double occupancy. And after that, enter, and you have to come with the extra bed. Suppose if the guest had need any extra beds, you have to mention the extra bed from there. And plan, see it's come a default plan as CP, so based on our hotel priority. And suppose the guest needs any other plan like AP or MAP, so you have to press F1 on it. So it will show the plans, other plans. And after, if the guest needs a 2 types of room type, so you have to enter the other room type from the second line. Enter the arrival time, number of stays, and checkout time. And again you have to press F1. Superior, they needed 2 rooms, and they're also double occupancy, and 2 extra beds they need. And after you have to enter, it will come down. So you have to enter the guest details. So from here you have to enter the guest details. Mr. who has coming, suppose Mr. Mohammed has coming, last name, arrival by, so where is coming from, is coming from Chennai, and where is departing to, so he is going to Mumbai. And nationality, so is which nationality, is Indian or any other countries. Suppose if any other countries, you have to press F1. It will help the countries to get from the masters. If it is the other country, it will show the, it will ask the passport details. So like that you can get the details. So now I'm just entering the nationality as a Indian, so it will not ask. See, suppose if you know all the guest details, you have to enter it from here, all the 8 type of guest. So the 8 guest name is there, so if you have to enter the 8 guest name from one by one. Suppose if you don't know, that no need, so you can enter time of check-in, and later on just come down address spot. So where he is coming from, so number 15, Abdul Razak Street, Chennai, state, zip code, and if you know the telephone number, you have to enter the telephone number, and same like that email ID, fax number, and mobile number. See, from the mobile number, suppose if you have a SMS engine like a modem based or web based, so based on that you have to enter the number. So if it is a modem based, you have to enter the 10 numbers, or else if it is a web based, if it is a web based, you have to enter the 10 digit, and if it is a modem based, you have to enter the 12 digit. So based on your country code, so 91 you have to enter it. And next, billing instructions. So from here you have to select the billing instructions. So billing instructions means nothing, that it will be a how to the guest has to be paid. It's either direct or billing to company, or room to company, and extras direct, or room food to company, and room food to company, extras direct. So like that you have to select from the billing instructions. And next, guest to type. So we have a guest type, like 4 types of guest type is there. One is called normal, and second is called house guest, and third is diplomat, and fourth is complimentary. So from normal, it will be reflect how it will be. So it should be a collect all the data, that means all type of revenues like a tariff and other charges. And house guest is entirely zero. The house guest only the packs will be count, and entire transaction should be zero. It's like FOC, food of complimentary. So that should be a house guest. And third is diplomat. See, diplomat is nothing, that is embassy guest. It's like the embassy guest has coming, so he's not willing to pay for the tax, so that will be come under diplomat guest. And fourth is complimentary. So it's like for example, it's a political guest is coming, so you're not willing to pay for the tariff amount, so you can get the tax part itself. That is called as complimentary. So now normally we are using as normal. And next, guest class. So guest class is very important. So based on that MD request, we can get the report from here itself. So guest class is very important. So it's guest is normal or VIP or VVIP. So if you give from this booking screen as well as in the check-in screen, so you can get from the detail of the report for the day. And segment. So market segment, it's like a walk-in or DFIT, or CVG or FFIT or travel agents. So based on that you have to select the market segment. And source, it's come from where, it's a direct to hotel or Sunway, our website or online, or otherwise some of the areas like a Mumbai or Delhi, which place, so where we can get from the business. So based on that we have to select the business source. And pay mode, how they are going to pay, it's like a cash or card or company or NEFT. So based on that we have to select the pay mode. And next, reservation mode, how the reservation has come, it's like a through phone or email or online. In person means a direct, so how it would be come. So based on that we have to select the reservation mode. And after that, instructions. Suppose if the guest has very important guest or some other like a MD guest, so if you want to give any instruction to the front office, so you have to enter the front office instruction from here. Suppose we can welcome with garland with the drinks, welcome drinks with garland. So this instruction has to be come from the expert arrival view and expert report, an instruction report. The front office will know about it. And after that, food and beverage. Suppose if you want to any instruction to give to the food and beverage department, so you can give the details from here. It will be reflect while they are selecting the time of room billing, room service billing. See, suppose the guest has diabetes guest, so you have to enter the details. It will be reflect the time of room service billing. And housekeeping same like that. So suppose if this MD guest or as a complimentary for that guest laundry, so you can mention it, it will be reflect on the time of billing for housekeeping department. And next, special instructions is very important to the front office people who are going to make a checkout, who are handling the checkout. So the time of it will be that this instruction will be give a pop-up to the concerned persons. It's very important to the front office department who are going to making a checkout. Suppose so please collect the remaining payment at the time of checkout. Okay. And pickup details, suppose if they're coming from that airport, so you have to pick up with the car, cab and all, so you have to mention the pickup details as well as drop details, where is going to either railway stations or either airport. So based on that we have to enter the details at what time they are going and which cab. And next screen we are going to company. See, from here you can see if the guest is coming from through the company, so you have to enter its company. So with the help of F1 key, I already told you, so you have to press F1, it will show all the company details from the masters. So from here you have to select the company details. If it is a travel agent, you have to select from the travel agent, same like that. And next, contact. So this booking has done by whom? This booking has done by whom? The guest is different, so who is coming to the hotel, that is different, and done by whom, so that details you have to enter. Suppose Mr. Mohammed is coming but booked by Arjun or Arun, so who has booked the booking, so his address. So like that you can enter all the address and details. And next, tariff details. So from here we can maintain the tariff details from here. So based on that, so if we fix the tariff for this particular company from the company masters, we can get the details, it will come directly from the company masters. Okay, so based on that you have to select the details. And INR, which currency we are selecting for this, so country is Indian, so Indian rupee I am selecting this. And after that, suppose if you want to give any discounts on that, so you have to give the discount from here. Tariff, same like that, food and beverage, liquor, laundry and telephone, it will be reflected from the concerned department time of billing. And next, click on confirm tariff. See, what is this? Show details. If you click on the show details, we can get the entire package of the room stay for this guest. So they are staying as a 2 days and 4 rooms. Okay, 8 packs. So what is the total package for this guest? So you can get from the room charges from there, and package is nothing, and tax was 11,880, and total package is 7,780. So if they paid any advance, it will come here, it will be after made a booking. And then, so if it is a confirm, you have to make it as a confirm and tentative waitlist. So finally you can make it as a save. Then you can get the reservation number, after you can make it as save. So like this way you have to generate the booking, you have to save a booking, so like this. Thank you.